Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk breaking news report. Well, we have just received a report that a massive earthquake has struck Greece and Turkey, causing significant damage. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links007 TV. Let's talk breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links007 TV. Let's start breaking news report. What a year 2020, a year that has gone down in history and a year that the world will never forget. With the whole onset of the pandemic and now a massive earthquake that struck Greece and Turkey later today, causing significant damage across that country. But when we look at what is going on around the world for this year 2020, I can tell that this year it is such a disastrous year, with so much bad things happening right across, not only in the Caribbean, but also in other parts of the world. And with the whole pandemic that is bearing down on the world right now, this is really a terrible year and one that we will never forget. So let me bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you as it relates to the 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck off the coast of Greece earlier today. There were no immediate reports of any casualties during the publication of this report, but video footage surfaced on social media showed buildings in the Turkish city of Izmir being seriously damaged. A number of rescue teams are currently on the scene trying to locate people that is believed to be trapped under the rubble. However, we'll have more information as it relates to that to come on Links007 TV breaking news report. But as it stands right now, a number of buildings and people are seriously hurt, and I can tell you it's such a sad situation right now taking place over there in Greece and Turkey. Video footage show flooded streets in the city apparently following the earthquake as well, which is such a disaster at this current moment. We have also received reports that a small tsunami struck soon after the earthquake, causing a number of streets to be seriously flooded. However, our team is monitoring this and will have more details to come once more information becomes available to us. The authorities in both countries right now are managing the situation, and they are urging residents to stay away from flooded streets and also to avoid buildings that are severely damaged, based on the fact that we can expect more aftershocks to come based on this. But as it stands right now, it's very sad to see what is taking place in both countries, and we're just hoping that authorities just act soon and fast in order to help those that might be trapped in buildings that were seriously damaged. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story, and once more information becomes available to us, we will be sure to updating you, the public. We here at Links007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to send our best wishes to both countries right now, reeling from the effects of this. And we know that it's a difficult time right now for both countries, even though it is still early days yet, based on the fact that this just took place a few minutes ago, and the country right now is in a total shock and devastation. And we're just hoping that the authorities just try their best in order to bring the situation under control in the shortest possible time, so more life is not lost. I hope that the rescue teams as well just try their very best to put out the efforts in order to help those that are trapped underneath the rubble, and we'll just try our very best to keep you informed with more information to come on this. So as you can see there, a number of buildings have been seriously damaged based on the magnitude 7.0 magnitude earthquake that struck off the coast of Turkey and Greece earlier today. We were able to obtain this video footage from amateurs captured who are on site of this right now, and I can tell you it's a total devastation for that country. However, as you look there, you can see a number of buildings, cars, and also flooded roads in the picture you're looking at on screen, and it's very sad to see what is transpiring in our world and in this country in general in this breaking news report that we are updating you on. But when we look on this devastation right now, both countries have been seriously affected by this, and a number of rescue teams are currently on the scene trying to see how best they can assist persons that might be seriously hurt in this unforeseen circumstance. We have now been reliably informed that a number of casualties have been reported. We are not sure if these casualties are from Greece or from Turkey. However, a number of bodies have been recovered and they are unresponsive, which is very sad. However, we'll try our very best to give you more information on Links 007 TV. Let's talk breaking news report in a later update to come from this. This is where we're going to leave you for now for this one. Thanks for watching. This is Links TV signing out once more.